Polkadot explicitly is a mid-position cryptographic money right now valued at $4.59 that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $5,489,473,907 in an unpretentious manner. Over the precise beyond couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Polkadot, laid out in every practical sense, solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and sort of are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms in a genuinely enormous way. A few institutional financial backers even for the most part consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy. Retail financial backers and merchants essentially are somewhat keen on digital currencies, sort of, for example. Since this fundamentally is ostensibly the most open monetary market where various resources by and large have the genuinely potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately exceptionally brief time frame. Or so they thought. These profits basically are really impossible in truly different business sectors, which is the motivation behind why most by and large moderate financial backers are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Polkadot, while the groundbreaking ones in every practical sense commit a critical part of their funding to this quickly creating resource class, which is very huge. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Polkadot to the level at $4.59 where it at present sits, which is very huge. As currently referenced, DOT fundamentally is a mid-position cryptographic money since it by possesses the 15th spot in worldwide digital currency ranking. The kind of metric that's still up in the air by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. On account of Polkadot, the market capitalization basically remains at $5,489,473,907. The significance of this boundary will be made sense of later amazingly. Our cost expectation calculation fundamentally is planned in every practical sense, such a way that it constantly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to sort of furnish our supporters with the most reliable data on the present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to enough by and large survey the condition of their portfolio and choose whether or not it basically has to sort of be reconfigured in a significant manner. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which basically is somewhat imperative for the right assessment of both especially current and expected market structure, and the evaluation of its most certainly present and future bearing in an exceptionally large manner. Underneath you will in every practical sense find key portions of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could essentially have a comprehension of where the Polkadot market by and large is going in a significant manner. Yesterday, on June 17th, DOT explicitly was esteemed at $4.42 at the turn of the two exchanging meeting. Explicitly recollect that digital currencies truly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which most certainly is very huge. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period basically added up to 1.34% in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on June 11th, Polkadot by and large was exchanged at $4.53 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that basically near its especially present situation in an unpretentious manner. On May 18th, which truly was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged DOT at $5.34, the cost level that essentially is at the distance of 13.86% from where it as of now stands. Or so they in a real sense thought. The blend of this information with the examination of the cost outline on various time periods, ideally the ones that by and large are in every practical sense higher than the 4-hour time span, ought to really provide you with a reasonable perception of the sort of current circumstance on the DOT market and how it has been creating. Yet, this in a real sense is just a glimpse of something larger as to how much information that our calculation filters as the day progressed and sorts out all of important data to especially create the most exact short, mid, and all things considered, long-haul Polkadot cost expectation that certainly has essentially turned into the establishment for a lot of productive exchanging techniques and certainly enlarged venture portfolios, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. The cost of DOT and the readings of 114 in a real sense are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost expectations a huge way. Market capitalization is one more significant, extremely metric that sort of assists traders with truly deciding the prevalence of the cryptographic money being referred to as well as its future possibilities incredibly. It's likewise used to in a real sense survey the offer that Polkadot truly holds inside the truly whole digital money market. The equation for the estimation of market capitalization basically is fairly straightforward. The circling supply of the cash being referred to explicitly is increased by its extremely current cost, or so they thought. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of DOT remains at $5,489,473,907, enough to name it the 15th, practically the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, which truly is very critical. Yesterday, on June 17th, the market capitalization of Polkadot for the most part remained at $5,279,667,641, which by and large is very critical. 7 days prior, on June 11th, the capitalization of DOT generally was $5,401,480,269, which is very critical. A month prior, on May 18th, how much truly capital streaming around this genuinely specific market especially added up to $6,379,259,120, which truly is very huge. Most digital currency financial backers in every practical sense stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a fundamentally certain cryptographic money and its capacity to endure disturbances, which, all things considered, are the normal event on this exceptionally unstable market. It's sort of obvious that the for the most part previously mentioned market capitalization of Polkadot permits to, in every practical sense, arrange it as the mid-cap digital currency that has a place in the generally safe gathering, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Since we have proactively referenced the recipe for working out the market capitalization, it would be somewhat fitting to give a part of this report to the stock of DOT in a significant manner. For your data, there really are three sorts of supply for practically every digital currency, the sort of greatest stockpile, and that implies the quantity of coins that would especially be created on an extremely specific blockchain all through its presence. The in every way that really matters, complete stockpile, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the commencement of the undertaking. The circling supply, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use. In all things considered, different words that certainly are by and large effectively exchanged on trade stages. The all-out supply of DOT right now essentially remains at 1,325,082,264 coins. The circling supply of the cryptographic money under survey is 1,195,603,387 DOT in a truly significant manner. This Polkadot cost expectation wouldn't sort of be somewhat finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the in every practical sense metric utilized by essentially all digital currency merchants to affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain fundamentally is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volume, there generally is a kind of high likelihood that this move in every practical sense is unreasonable and would generally bring about a bullish snare. Accordingly, it's critical to really break down the for the most part past and the ongoing exchanging volume of DOT requests to by and large comprehend whether this market has a fundamental strength, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume on the Polkadot market basically was enrolled at $89,222,557, or so they thought. Yesterday, on June 17th, DOT had an exchanging volume of $108,866,555 in a sort of significant manner. 7 days prior, on June 11th,